It is the potpourri of all processing information. Of course, that's what universities are primarily. Then the quality, effectiveness, and relevance of the university system will be directly related to the ability of the people, society, and institutions to develop. In the context of a technological revolution and in the context of a revolution in communication, the university becomes a central actor of scientific and technological change, but also of other dimensions of the capacity to train a labor force advocate to new conditions of production and management. Today, the universities have also become the critical source of equalization of chances and democratization of society by making possible equal opportunities for people. This is not only a contribution to economic growth, it is a contribution to social equality or at least lesser inequality. I am happy to note that your university is maintaining this trend and is offering the students a plethora of both conventional and management courses, which certainly is making them highly qualified to meet with the demands of the changing times. Dear graduating students, you are blessed to have received the best form of education and have surely learned the way that will pave your path in times to come. I admire your accomplishments and congratulate you to have been fortunate enough to have got the access to such a good educational experience at this university. It will always be a lifetime reward for you. I exhort upon you all to do well in life and carry on with good work and make a mark for yourself and shine forever. I wish you all the marvelous life ahead. I'm concluding the convocation address with a quotation of Swami Vivekananda. Education is not the amount of information that is put into your brain. We must have life-building, man-making, character-making assimilation of ideas. If you have assimilated 5 ideas and made them your life and character, you have more education than others. Now I should have said Jai Hind, but I'll not do that. अभी मुझे कुछ और कहना है. ये मुझे गवर्नर हुए करीब 4.5 साल हो गए और गवर्नर इतना बेचारा होता है कि उसको हर काम में बुलाया जाता है और उन कामों में भी जाता है जिनके बारे में वो कुछ नहीं जानता है. लिहाजा उसको एक लिखी हुई स्पीच पकड़ा दी जाती है और वो उसको पढ़ देता है और वो समझता है मैं बड़ा काबिलियत का काम करके आया हूँ. ये जो स्पीच है जो मैंने दी है ये लिखी हुई मेरे हाथ आई थी और मैंने पढ़ दी है, लेकिन कुछ चीज़ें थीं जो मैं आपके सामने कहना चाहता हूँ, वो 2 मिनट में कह दूँगा. देखिए, ये जो एजुकेशन है, आपको दुनिया की कोई चीज़ इतना एम्पावर नहीं करती जितनी एजुकेशन करती है. ना दौलत करती है, ना आपका लड़की हैं तो आपका दहेज एम्पावर नहीं करता है, लड़के हैं तो आपकी प्रॉपर्टी नहीं एम्पावर करती है. असली एम्पावरमेंट आपकी एजुकेशन है. मैं 1-2 चीज़ें बता के अपनी बात ख़त्म करूँगा. अमेरिका की एक कुछ साल पहले फॉरेन सेक्रेटरी थी कोंडोलीज़ा राइस. दुबली पतली, देखने में औसत से भी कम, और सिर्फ अपनी काबिलियत और पढ़ाई की वजह से वो अमेरिका की फॉरेन सेक्रेटरी बन गई थी. कुछ साल पहले जब लीबिया में विद्रोह हुआ और वहाँ के डिक्टेटर कर्नल गद्दाफी को मार दिया विद्रोहियों ने, तो उन्होंने उसके दफ्तर को रेड किया और उस ऑफिस में उनको एक डायरी मिली जिसमें गद्दाफी लिखता है कि मुझे अपनी ज़िंदगी का सबसे ज़्यादा आनंद तब आता है जब मैं देखता हूँ लिटिल कोंडी यानी कोंडोलीज़ा राइस वो अरब शेखों को धमकाती हुई देखता हूँ. तो लिटिल कोंडी अरब शेखों को अमेरिका की ताकत पे धमकाती थी और अमेरिका की ताकत लिटिल कोंडी को उसकी एजुकेशन ने दी थी. ये है रियल एम्पावरमेंट. तो आपको भी ये एम्पावरमेंट एजुकेशन से मिलेगा। दूसरी चीज जो मैं कहना चाहता हूं वो ये है, वो आप लोगों के लिए है जो शिक्षा का इंतजाम देखते हैं, कि जिन कौमों और मुल्कों ने तालीम को, एजुकेशन को तवज्जो दी है, वही दुनिया में आगे बढ़े हैं। एक इवेंट में आपके सामने कोट करूंगा। वर्ल्ड वार सेकंड में ब्रिटेन का बजट पेश हो रहा था और उसमें बजट में सारी चीजों की मद में कटौती की गई थी, लेकिन एजुकेशन की मद में कोई कटौती नहीं की गई थी। ओपोजिशन के लोग खड़े हो गए, उन्होंने शोर मचाया और उन्होंने कहा कि ये एजुकेशन की मद में कटौती क्यों नहीं है। तो प्रधानमंत्री खड़े हुए और उन्होंने कहा कि देखिए, वर्ल्ड वॉर सेकंड चल रहा है, पुल टूटेंगे तो दोबारा बन जाएंगे, कारखाने नष्ट हो जाएंगे फिर तामीर कर लेंगे, घर भी दोबारा बनाए जा सकते हैं, लेकिन अगर एक पीढ़ी बर्बाद हो गई तो वो दोबारा खड़ी नहीं की जा सकती, इसलिए एजुकेशन में कोई पैसे की कटौती नहीं होगी। तो जिस सोसाइटी का ये एटीट्यूड था एजुकेशन के लिए, उसी ने सारी दुनिया पे राज किया। और आज मुझे इस बात को कहते हुए तकलीफ है, हम बहुत अपनी तरक्की की डींग हाँकते हैं। हमारे यहाँ 12 सिर्फ 12 नोबेल प्राइज हैं। अमेरिका की एक एक यूनिवर्सिटी में, इंग्लैंड की एक एक यूनिवर्सिटी में 70, 80, 90, 100 नोबेल प्राइज है। क्वालिटी एजुकेशन नहीं है अपने यहाँ उस तरह की, ना उस तरह की पढ़ाई है, ना उस तरह की सरकार की तवज्जो है पढ़ाई के ऊपर। टोटल बजट का आज तक 6% से ज्यादा हायर एजुकेशन पे खर्चा नहीं हुआ है। लिहाजा हम पे 12 नोबेल प्राइज हैं, जिनमें 6 उनके हैं जिन्होंने विदेश में जाके काम किया था, एक मदर टेरेसा का है, एक रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर का है। पढ़ाई के लिहाज से तो हमारे लोगों ने सिर्फ 4 नोबेल प्राइज हासिल किए। और मैं पार्लियामेंट्री अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर था वीपी सिंह की गवर्नमेंट में। जब बजट पास होता था तो रिवाज ये है कि जिस सब्जेक्ट का बजट होगा उस पर बहस होगी और बहस होने के बाद उस पर वोट होगा। लेकिन आपको जान के आश्चर्य होगा कि जिस दिन से हिंदुस्तान की पार्लियामेंट बनी है, आज तक एजुकेशन के बजट पे कोई बहस नहीं हुई। जब वोट होता है, बाकी इंपॉर्टेंट चीजों पे बहस होके वोट हो जाता है, और एजुकेशन के बजट के वक्त जो गैर जरूरी डिपार्टमेंट होते हैं उनकी और एजुकेशन की डिमांड्स को मिला के बिना बहस के पास कर दिया जाता है। उसको पार्लियामेंट्री पार्लांस में बोलते हैं गिलोटिन करना, यानी फांसी देना। तो एजुकेशन को पिछले 50-60 साल में फांसी दी गई है और उसको जो तवज्जो मिलनी चाहिए थी वो नहीं मिली। अगर हम जो नया भारत, सशक्त भारत, स्वस्थ भारत करते हैं, जब तक हम एजुकेशन को तवज्जो नहीं देंगे, भारत कहीं नहीं पहुंचेगा। हमारे पास इतना बड़ा यूथ फोर्स है, लेकिन इसके लिए जो हमें करना चाहिए वो हम नहीं कर पा रहे हैं। तो मैं आप लोगों से कहूँगा कि आप जहाँ भी जाएं, ये ध्यान में रखें कि आपको एजुकेशन को तवज्जो देनी है, एजुकेशन को बढ़ाना है। और एक चीज़ और करें, आप लोग अफसर भी बनेंगे, आप कुछ ऊंचाइयों पे भी पहुँचेंगे। जब आपके हाथ में ताकत आ जाए तो जो गांधी जी ने कहा कि जो आखिरी आदमी है, सबसे गरीब आदमी है, जब कोई फैसला लें तो उसकी तरफ देख लेना कि आपका फैसला उसके काम भी आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है। हमारी जो सोसाइटी है उसमें जब हम निकल के जाते हैं, वी आर फुल ऑफ आइडियाज, वी आर फुल ऑफ आइडियलिज्म। हम ईमानदार होते हैं अफसर के तौर पे भी, लेकिन कुछ दिनों में सोसाइटी हमको खा जाती है। फ्रांस के स्टूडेंट मूवमेंट में एक स्लोगन था कि सोसाइटी इज ए कार्निवोरस फ्लावर। जो बॉटनी पढ़ते होंगे वो जानते होंगे कि एक फूल होता है जिसपे अगर कोई कीड़ा बैठ जाए तो उसको बंद करके सक कर लेता है, खत्म कर देता है। इसी तरह हमारे यहाँ जो सोसाइटी है, आप जब अफसर बनेंगे तो आप में बड़ा आइडियलिज्म होगा। आप नेताओं से भी लड़ जाओगे, आप सीनियर से भी लड़ जाओगे, सही काम के लिए खड़े होंगे। लेकिन कुछ दिन बाद वाइफ कहेगी, देखो पड़ोसी की वाइफ ने तो ये कर लिया, वो तो इतना गहना ले आई, उन्होंने तो ऐसा घर बना लिया, उनके यहाँ तो ऐसी कार है। और धीरे धीरे आप सोसाइटी आपको सकिन कर लेती है। तो उसको रजिस्ट करना, ईमानदारी के साथ और बहादुरी के साथ जिस जगह पे भी जाओ काम करना। मैंने अपनी जिंदगी से सीखा है, एज ऑन टुडे मेरे पास रिटायरमेंट के बाद रहने के लिए घर नहीं है। मुझे कोई फिक्र, आज ही सुबह होम मिनिस्टर साहब का फोन आया था, मैंने उन्हें कहा मुझे एक ही फेवर चाहिए, मुझे कोई मकान अलॉट कर दें, चूंकि मेरे पास घर नहीं है। कोई यकीन नहीं करे, मैं 4 बार MP, MLA, मिनिस्टर, गवर्नर रहा हूं और मेरे पास घर नहीं है। लेकिन ये गरीबी मेरी ताकत है, मैं किसी से भी लड़ सकता हूं, बड़े से बड़े ताकतवर आदमी से देश के लड़ सकता हूं। अगर मेरे पास दौलत होती तो अगले दिन मेरे यहाँ ED चली जाती, इनकम टैक्स वाले चले जाते, CBI वाले चले जाते, और मैं उससे डरता। मैं किसी चीज से नहीं डरता हूं, क्योंकि मेरे पास कुछ नहीं। तो आपसे मैं ये कहना चाहता हूं कि असली ताकत होगी आपका कैरेक्टर, आपका बिहेवियर, आपका रहन सहन। मैं खैर बहुत लंबा हो गया, इतना उपदेश देने की जरूरत नहीं थी और पसंद भी नहीं करते हैं लोग, लेकिन फिर भी मैं बिना आपकी इजाजत लिए सब बोल दिया है। बहुत कम मौका मिलता है यंगर जनरेशन के लोगों से मिलने का। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, और मैं वाइस चांसलर साहिबा को मुबारकबाद देना चाहता हूं कि इतनी बढ़िया संस्था वो चला रही हैं। ईश्वर करे आप बहुत दूर तक जाएं। जय हिंद।
Thank you, sir. Chancellor, sir, I request you to grant permission to present the candidates whom the Vice Chancellor, on the reports of the examiners, has certified to be qualified for the degrees in the various disciplines.
The request is granted. Let the candidates be presented.
Madam Vice Chancellor, I present before you the candidates in person or in absentia of the Faculty of Management, the Faculty of Science and Technology, and the Faculty of Humanities and Social Sciences who have been examined and found qualified for the degrees of Master of Business Administration, Master of Commerce, Master of Tourism and Travel Management, Master of Computer Applications, Master of Arts in Education, Master of Arts in English, Master of Arts in Garo, and Master of Arts in Political Science to be conferred upon their degree. Students, please stand up. Those whose classes have been mentioned, that is the PG students. This is yours now.
Chancellor, sir, I present to you the candidates in person or in absentia of the Faculty of Management, the Faculty of Science and Technology, and the Faculty of Humanities and Social Sciences, who have been examined and found qualified for the degree of Master of Business Administration, Master of Commerce, Master of Tourism and Travel Management, Master of Computer Application, Masters of Arts in Education, Master of Arts in English, Master of Arts in Garo, Master of Arts in Political Science, to which I pray that they may now be admitted.
By virtue of the powers vested in me as Chancellor of Icfai University, Meghalaya, I admit you in person or in absentia to the master's degree in various disciplines for which you have been examined and found qualified.
Students, please sit down. Madam Vice Chancellor, I present before you the candidates in person or in absentia of the Faculty of Management, the Faculty of Science and Technology, and the Faculty of Humanities and Social Sciences who have been examined and found qualified for the degrees of Bachelor of Business Administration, Bachelor of Tourism and Travel Management, Bachelor of Computer Applications, Bachelor of Arts in Education, Bachelor of Arts in English, and Bachelor of Arts in Political Science to be conferred upon their degree. UG students, please stand.
Chancellor, sir, I present to you the candidates in person or in absentia of the Faculty of Management, the Faculty of Science and Technology, and the Faculty of Humanities and Social Sciences, who have been examined and found qualified for the degree of Bachelor of Business Administration, the Bachelor of Tourism and Travel Management, Bachelor of Computer Applications, Bachelor of Arts in Education, Bachelor of Arts in English, and Bachelor of Arts in Political Science, to which I pray that they may now be admitted.
By virtue of the powers vested in me as Chancellor of Icfai University, Meghalaya, I admit you in person or in absentia to the bachelor's degree in various disciplines for which you have been examined and found qualified.
Students, please take your seats. Madam Vice Chancellor, I present before you the postgraduate candidates of the Faculty of Management, the Faculty of Science and Technology, and the Faculty of Humanities and Social Sciences who have been examined and found qualified for receiving the merit certificates.
Chancellor, sir, I present to you the postgraduate candidates of the Faculty of Management, the Faculty of Science and Technology, and the Faculty of Humanities and Social Sciences, who have been examined and found qualified for receiving the merit certificates, which I pray may now be awarded to them.
By virtue of the powers vested in me as Chancellor of the Icfai University, Meghalaya, I award you the merit certificates in various disciplines for which you have been examined and found qualified.
Students, please take your seats. I now request the Vice Chancellor, Dr. Alicia Gapho, to present the merit certificates. And I also call upon the Deputy Registrar Examinations to read out the names of the recipients.
Thank you, Madam Registrar. Now I will call on the names of the postgraduate students who are to receive the merit certificates. We start off with the graduation year 2020. From MBA program, Shimborlang Nonsiang, kindly come to the stage to receive your merit certificate. From MCOM, Ipanisha Marbo. Sweetie Agarwal from MBA. Go from this one. Nihal Datta from MBA. Regardful Sungo from MBA. Pormidahun Suchian from MCOM. Naitmong Langstang from MCOM. Hame Suchiang from MCOM. Ibanker Slong from MCOM. Obinam Tayang from MCOM. Wanshanbor Marwain from MCOM. Spiriancy Nongrem from MCOM. Namsilchi K. Sangma from MTTM. Lanosha Snaithang from MCA. Rikmanchi D. Shira from MA Education. Rikmanchi D. Shira from MA Education. I presume she is not here. We go to Tengman R. Marak. Oh, she's here. Rikmanchi is here. Tengman R. Marak from MA Education. Anma Rugame C.H. Marak from MA Education. Clara Kitan from MA English. FC Lalta Zwali from MA English. Paul Vanlal Ruata Fanai from MA English. C. Lalnai Sanghi from MA English. Jebi Pringchi C.H. Marak from MA Political Science. Nosa Patiasa N. Areng from MA Political Science. Mikchira W. Sangma from MA Political Science. Thank you, ma'am.
Madam Vice Chancellor, I present before you the undergraduate candidates of the Faculty of Management, the Faculty of Science and Technology, and the Faculty of Humanities and Social Sciences who have been examined and found qualified for receiving the merit certificates.
Chancellor, sir, I present you the undergraduate candidates of the Faculty of Management, the Faculty of Science and Technology, and the Faculty of Humanities and Social Sciences, who have been examined and found qualified for receiving the merit certificates, which I pray may now be awarded to them.
By virtue of the pass vested in me as Chancellor of Icfai University, Meghalaya, I award you the General Proficiency Awards in the various faculty of studies for which you have been examined and found qualified.
I request the Deputy Registrar Examinations to read out the names of the recipients. I also request our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. Alicia Gatpaw, to give away the certificates.
Thank you, ma'am. BBA J. Hazalika Shabong. Sinchira A. Sangma from BA English. Darihun Paryong from BBA. Pilakamti Kharkongor from BBA. Sister Ibanukor Wajuri from BCA. Sister Jenny Yaupniao from BCA. Anikat Kumar Kushwaha from BCA. Dilip Kumar Sunar from BCA. Dairi Nongri from BCA. Marvin Kinta from BCA. Emmanuel A. Sangma from BA Political Science. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, I request Madam Registrar to continue.
Madam Vice Chancellor, I present before you the postgraduate candidates of the Faculty of Management, the Faculty of Science and Technology, and the Faculty of Humanities and Social Sciences who have been examined and found qualified for receiving the gold and the silver medals. Yeah, no, it's yours.
Chancellor, sir, I present to you the postgraduate candidates of the Faculty of Management, the Faculty of Science and Technology, and the Faculty of Humanities and Social Sciences, who have been examined and found qualified for receiving the gold and silver medals, which I pray may now be awarded to them.
By virtue of the pass vested in me as Chancellor of Icfai University Meghalaya, I award you the medals in various disciplines that have been announced by the Vice Chancellor, in which you have been examined and found qualified.
I now call on our Honorable Chancellor, Sir Colonel Dr. V.R.K. Prasad, to present the medals and certificates. And I also call upon the Deputy Registrar Examinations to read out the names of the recipients.
Thank you, ma'am. The gold medalist and the first rank holder from MBA, Chimbolang Nongsiang.
Gold medal and certificate. Both. No, there are two there. Which is to be given to him? Shimbolong. Congratulations. Okay, you can't. God bless. This also take. Okay, this is also take. One more. Okay, good.
From MCOM, gold medalist, Ipanisha Marbo.
This medal and only two certificates. Both of them.
MTTM, gold medalist, Ila Dorailin Kongsdam.
Congratulations, Evanisha. Congratulations. Okay. Thank you.
MTTM, silver medalist and second rank holder, Koda Jumi. MTTM, silver medalist and second rank holder, it was a tie, Paramjeet Kumar.
What's her name? Koda Jami. Congratulations. God bless. Look at it. No, carry on. We can study it later.
MBA, gold medalist and first rank holder, Sweetie Agarwal.
Okay, you are Paramjeet Kumar. Okay, you are what you've done your masters in travel and tourism. Congratulations. This is the medal. Okay. Show it to me. Photograph.
MBA, second rank holder and silver medalist, Nihal Datta.
Sweetie. Congratulations, sweetie. Yes, here is the medal. MBA. Good. Who's this guy?
MCOM, gold medalist and first rank holder, Pormidahun Sushiang. MCOM, silver medalist and second rank holder, Naitmon Langstang.
Congratulations. You can. Look at the photograph.
MTTM, gold medalist and first rank holder, Namsilchi K. Sangma.
What's her name? Thanks, Time. Congratulations. Just smile to the photograph. Just smile. Good. Congratulations.
MCA, gold medalist and first rank holder, Lanosha Snaitang.
Congratulations. Look at this. There you go. Thank you. God bless.
MCA silver medalist and second rank holder, James Robert Simeon. MA Education silver medalist and second rank holder, Dalima Koch. MA second position and silver medalist, Dalima Koch. She's not here. Dalima Koch is not here. MA English gold medalist and first rank holder, Clara Kitan. Clara Kitan. MA English silver medalist and second rank holder, FC Lalta Zuali. MA Garo, gold medalist and first rank holder, Nestville CH Marak. MA Garo, silver medalist and second rank holder, Rikchi M. Marak. MA Political Science, gold medalist and first rank holder, Jebi Pringchi C.H. Marak. MA Political Science, silver medalist and second rank holder, Nosa Patiasa N. Areng. Thank you. I request Madam Registrar to continue with the proceedings.
Madam Vice Chancellor, I present before you the undergraduate candidates of the Faculty of Management, the Faculty of Science and Technology, and the Faculty of Humanities and Social Sciences who have been examined and found qualified for receiving the gold and silver medals.
Chancellor, sir, I present to you the undergraduate candidates of the Faculty of Management, the Faculty of Science and Technology, and the Faculty of Humanities and Social Sciences, who have been examined and found qualified for receiving the gold and silver medals, which I pray may now be awarded to them.
By virtue of the pass vested in me as Chancellor of Icfai University Meghalaya, I award you the medals in those disciplines in which the Honorable Vice Chancellor have announced and in which you have been examined and found qualified.
I request our Honorable Chancellor, Colonel Dr. V.R.K. Prasad, to present the medals and certificates. And I also call upon the Deputy Registrar Examinations to read out the names of the recipients.
Thank you, ma'am. BBA gold medalist and first rank holder J. Hazelika Shabong. BBA silver medalist and second rank holder Hakani Dasok Sumer. BCom gold medalist and first rank holder Siltera C.H. Marak. BCom silver medalist and second rank holder Senia M. Sangma. BTTM gold medalist and first rank holder Bitasta Haldar. BCA gold medalist and first rank holder Abhishkar Bhusal. BA Education gold medalist and first rank holder Rekha Kumari Singh. BA Education silver medalist and second rank holder Priyanka Kumari Mishra. BA English gold medalist and first rank holder Sinchira A. Sangma.
God bless. Thank you.
BA English silver medalist and second rank holder Reshmi Thaba. BA English silver medalist second rank holder Reshmi Thaba. I presume she is not here. Reshmi Thaba is not here. BBA gold medalist first rank holder Darihun Pariyong. BBA silver medalist and second rank holder Philakamti Kharkongor. BCom silver medalist, second rank holder, Sengbira D. Shira. BCom silver medalist, second rank holder, Sengbira D. Shira. I presume the student is not here. Sengbira is not here. BTTM gold medalist and first rank holder, Bali Potom. Also, Gold medalist and first rank holder, it was a tie, Nisha Dora Mary Sun. BTTM silver medalist and second rank holder, Maria Bud Khashandi.
One more gold medal, sharing of the gold medal. Very soon.
BCA gold medalist and first rank holder, Sister Ibanukor Wargery. And the first rank was again shared by Sister Jenny Yopnell. Just wait a minute. BCA silver medalist and second rank holder, Aniket Kumar Kushwaha. BA Education gold medalist and first rank holder, Dikim G. Sangma. BA English, silver medalist and second rank holder, Neetu Bardeva. BA Political Science, silver medalist and second rank holder, Emmanuel A. Sangma. Thank you. I request Madam Registrar to kindly continue with the proceedings.
Madam Vice Chancellor, I present before you the candidates of the Faculty of Management, the Faculty of Science and Technology, and the Faculty of Humanities and Social Sciences who have been examined and found qualified for receiving the General Proficiency Awards.
Chancellor, sir, I present to you the candidates of the Faculty of Management, the Faculty of Science and Technology, and the Faculty of Humanities and Social Sciences who have been examined and found qualified for receiving the General Proficiency Awards, which I pray now be awarded to them.
By virtue of the pass vested in me as Chancellor of Icfai University, Meghalaya, I award you the General Proficiency Awards in various faculty of studies for which you have been examined and found qualified.
I now request His Excellency, the Honorable Governor of Meghalaya, Shri Satyapal Malik, to present the trophies and certificates. And I also call upon the Deputy Registrar Exams to read out the names of the recipients.
The General Proficiency Award for the year 2020 in the MBA program is awarded to Shimbor Lang Nongxiang. The General Proficiency Award for the BBA program in the year 2020 is awarded to J. Hazelika Shabong. From the BA English General Proficiency Award for the year 2020, Sinchira A. Sangma. Candidates, you are requested to come a little quickly, okay? General Proficiency Awards for the year 2021 for the MBA program to Sweetie Agarwal. General Proficiency Award for BBA in the year 2021 to Darihun Paryong. General Proficiency Award for the MCA program for the year 2021, Lanosha Snaitang. General Proficiency Award for the BCA program for 2021 goes to two graduates, Sister Ibanukor Wajiri and Sister Jenny Yaupnyao. MA Political Science, Jebi Pringchi C.H. Marak is awarded the General Proficiency Award for 2021. Thank you. I request Madam Registrar to continue with the proceedings of the program.
Madam Vice Chancellor, I request you to administer the oath to the students who have been conferred upon their degrees in various disciplines. All the students who have received their degrees are to rise from their seats to take the oath.
I hereby charge you to uphold the dignity and the value of the degree awarded to you by this university in your life and profession.
Students, you may take your seats. Thank you, Madam Vice Chancellor. I now request our Chancellor, sir, to administer the pledge to the students who have been conferred upon their degrees in various disciplines.
Students may rise. All the students who are receiving the degrees, the concerned students may rise. Only the concerned students. All the students? Okay, fine. Okay,
All students, please rise.
Are they supposed to repeat? No, not required. They are not supposed to repeat. Okay, fine. Okay, friends, I shall read out the pledge you are supposed to be taking. At least you may not read it out after me, but at least in your hearts of hearts, go by each word, each syllable of it. We shall in thought, word and deed ever endeavor to uphold the dignity and integrity of our profession and the honor of our university, the state and the nation. Thank you.
Students, please take your seats. Dr. Surajit Sen, Deputy Registrar Exams, will now continue.
Thank you, Madam. It is a momentous occasion for us today that on this August, in this August gathering, we will be privileged to have a book release which has been authored by our Chancellor, Sir, Dr. Colonel V.R.K. Prasad. The book is titled Youth in Nation Building, The Way Forward. The book delves into understanding India's demographic advantage, which will last at least for another 25 to 30 years. The immense power and potential of the youth need to be harnessed by providing them with the right knowledge and skills. Sound character, right frame of mind, and healthy body are equally important to effectively contribute to national development. Indian culture always emphasized upon all-round development of a person on moral, humanistic, and physical aspects, so to finally evolve as a complete human so that he or she can contribute effectively to the society and make the country proud. The book addresses these issues through a holistic approach. So I request our Chancellor, Sir, along with our Honorable Governor, Shri Satyapal Malik ji, our Vice Chancellor, Dr. Alicia Gatpo, and our Registrar, Dr. Indrani Bhuya, to release the book titled Youth in Nation Building, A Way Forward. Our Chancellor, Sir, will now call on the name of the student, the lucky student, who will receive this book from the Chancellor, sir. Sir,
As I told you all yesterday in my informal address, the work that I had put in behind this book, specifically to have it released on this particular occasion, running against the time, I could manage to get just about 5 digital copies, the first copies. The bulk printing of the book has not yet taken place, but I requested the publisher to give me at least 4 or 5 copies so that I could bring them personally to this particular occasion and request the Honorable Governor to formally release it, because this book is meant for the youth, meant for you all. Now, I have a great privilege, since the book is meant for the youth, just one of the 5 copies that I have brought, I would like to present to a student, because this is meant for the student. I request Sweetie Agarwal to join me on the stage to receive this book. Come sit. Well done. Extremely. I am very happy to present you this book. Look at this. I am presenting it not to just to keep it, read it. There's my email ID. You send me your views. Okay? Please do. Then only I'll feel happy. Okay? Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
thank you, sir. Madam Registrar, may I now request you to deliver the vote of thanks.
I am privileged to deliver this vote of thanks on behalf of Icfai University, Meghalaya. My profuse thanks goes to our Governor, His Excellency, Shri Satyapal Malik ji, for taking out time from his schedule to be with us today and to honor us with his speech. His speech was so very encouraging, that we need to look into ourselves and we should try to become a better version of ourselves every day. This is an effort we need to make forever, to improve on ourselves. And, of course, to give importance to education, without which we will not be able to achieve anything. My thanks goes to our Honorable Chancellor, sir, for having come all the way from Hyderabad to be with us and to enlighten us with his presence and also his inspirational speech, so that each one of us becomes good human beings, especially our students who have just stood on the threshold of life today. They begin a new journey from today. So, students, look forward with confidence in yourself and go ahead and try to become good human beings. Look into the values that have been imparted to you by your teachers, by your family, by everything around you, even Mother Nature around you. Be job providers instead of job seekers, which is actually the mantra of today. Again, I thank our Vice Chancellor who has been the backbone of our university. She is there for us at every turn. For every little problem that we have, we approach her. Whatever be it, we approach her and she's always there with a solution. She never complains, never grudges, and she's always there as our backbone, as our strength. I take this opportunity again to thank Dr. Damodar Reddy, who has again graced this occasion, carted all the medals and the trophies all the way from Hyderabad to be given to the students here. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for being here. We have with us our honorable guest, Dr. Arun Kumar, who is the Vice Chancellor of Icfai University, Nagaland. I had just sent a mail inviting all the Vice Chancellors in the Icfai system, and he was the first one to respond and to come here from Dimapur. Thank you so much, sir. Our advisor to the Tura campus, Mrs. VSB Sangma, who has been there for the Tura campus. She has stood as solid as a rock to see that the campus fares well. Till date, she's been there with advice, with suggestions, and just like a matriarch, she takes care of the campus and all the people who are associated. And of course, she doesn't forget all those who are in the Shillong campus and who also need her help at different turns during the course of work. The campus head Tura, Mr. Kenneth Momin, who despite all his problems at home, could make it to Shillong, I'm sorry, sir. Thank you once again for being with us. The Deputy Registrar Exams, Dr. Surajit Sen, who is always there for everything. For every little problem that we have, we run to Surajit sir, as he is popularly known. Thank you for all your hard work, for everything that you have done to make this program a success. Our members of the BOG and BOM, members of the Academic Council, the faculty members and staff of both the campuses. Together, we are one. We are a part of Icfai Meghalaya, and together we weather every storm to make Icfai Meghalaya one of the best in the Northeast. The proud parents and guardians of the graduates who trusted us and put their children in our care with the hope that their children are able to achieve good results and maybe realize the dreams of their parents. Thank you so much, parents, for being here today. It was a proud moment for you, I'm sure. And thank you once again for reposing faith in us and sending your children to us and giving us also the opportunity to interact with these budding geniuses. Children who I always describe as budding flowers. They have so much within them. And it is for us as teachers to groom them. Thank you once again, parents and guardians, for giving us that opportunity. The graduating students, this is your day. This is your day. You begin a new day from today. You begin your journey in life. You will perhaps become entrepreneurs. I think one or two of you all have already started your venture into the world of business, into the world of entrepreneurship. This is your day. Congratulations once again, and thank you for giving us the opportunity to organize this event for you.
Madam Vice Chancellor, just announce the name of the entrepreneur student. We will give him a round of applause. If you know it.
Yes,
Get motivated.
I know of one child, and I would love if the others also put up their hands so that we can call them. There is one child there. May I know your name, please? Priyanka.
Well done, Priyanka.
Then there is another child called Nihal Datta.
Well done, Datta. Round of applause. Even if he is not here.
All our invitees, Madam M.P.R. Lingdo, Dr. L. Roy, who have been members of the MPURB, it's an honor, sir and madam, to have you in our midst. You have guided us, you have helped us a lot to make Icfai what it is today. And I still recall that our Vice Chancellor would run to you. Since she knows you personally, she would run to the two of you whenever we would face any issue. And you would always be there with a word of advice. Our amendment, thank you for it, sir and madam. Thank you so much for it. We actually had to run from pillar to post. And it is with your guidance that we are where we are today with regard to the nomenclature of the university. Thank you once again. All our invitees, I don't suppose any government representative came here. In any case, the members of the BOM, BOG, the government representatives who have always been there to attend meetings, I thank you again. Though you are not here, but I hope this word of thanks is carried to you. Members of the press and the media, without whom our existence today is absolutely impossible. All our technicians who handled light, sound, all those who are backstage, helping with the food, helping with the catering, the people who gave us the flowers and decorated the stage. And the governor's entire entourage, thank you for being here. Thank you so much once again. Thank you, everybody. Long live Icfai.
Thank you, Madam Registrar. Madam Registrar, may I request you to continue with the rest of the proceedings of the convocation.
Chancellor, sir, may I request you to declare the Convocation 2022 closed?
Madam Registrar, the kind of hard work the Chancellor has been doing for the last couple of hours, he also deserves a degree, isn't it? He also deserves a degree anyway. I would rather close the convocation now. I declare the convocation 2022 closed. Until next time, thank you.
Thank you, sir. And I request everybody to rise for the National Anthem. hall to remain standing till the academic procession leaves the convocation hall.
Dear all, just kindly remain seated for a while. Parents,